everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's pretty late in the month, but my Lookfantastic Beauty Box for the month of November just arrived, so we're going to do a full unboxing and review of everything inside. I've been unboxing Lookfantastic and Glossy Box because they are sister companies for a while now, and I've been on the fence with some of the boxes, I'm not gonna lie, but I think the last month was pretty good, so I'm hoping we're on the upswing. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a full unboxing of this box. And if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Lookfantastic Beauty Box for the month of November, stay tuned. So the theme of the box this month is the Beauty Box Edit November, all the colors of all the lights, which I think is really cute. Normally it's like a brochure with information on the products. That is not in this box. So I think that instead I'm not going to be able to read all the products, but we'll have to do a little bit more research. First item out of the box, this is from the brand Molten Brown London. This is the Relaxing Lang Lang Bath and Shower Gel made in England. London via the Comoros Islands. Creamy white, soft, secluded sands, and the air heady? I think it means heavy, with the scent of sweet evening flowers. A hammock swaying between two palms. Fall into deep slumber with the perfume aisles. Rich, relaxing, and hypnotic. Squalene in this, so it's going to be quite hydrating. Honeysuckle, so I expect this to smell really nice. There is fragrance and perfume in here, but we are going to smell it, and oh, that smells really nice. I don't think I would love this as like a shower gel, like a body wash, but I think it would make a really good bubble bath scent. Yeah, I think that would be like this really pretty aromatic bubble bath. It is foaming up a tiny bit, but it does smell really nice. So I'm actually going to take that and put that in my shower and give that a try tonight. I know I say this in all of my unboxing videos, but if I never mention it again, then it's a take it or leave it kind of product. If I absolutely love it or I totally hate it, the end of the month when I do my favorites and flops, you'll see it in there or in my empties videos. So if I don't give you like a full, oh my god, it's amazing in the moment, or oh my god, it's garbage in the moment, then that's going to be the best way to find out what I think after I've used it. Next is from the brand Mini Macron. This is the moisturizing foot mask with lavender oil. Enjoy a little self-care at home with this moisturizing foot mask. Lavender scented and enriched with different leaf extracts. Your tired, dry feet will feel relaxed, refreshed, and deeply hydrated. How to use, you basically put on the sock in here for 15 minutes and then take it off. It does have lavender oil in it, like it said. But the second ingredient is dimethicone, which is a silicone derivative, which will smooth over lines. So right off the bat, I already don't trust that this is going to actually do much, because if you're putting dimethicone that high up in the ingredient list, it's usually like, it's dimethicone, it's a silicone derivative. It's going to smooth things over, which is going to make your cracked feet or any like cracks and lines in your feet feel smoothed over because of the dimethicone. It's not actually helping them, but I'm going to have to give it a shot and let you know. Next is the BHA Exfoliating Concentrate from the brand Balance Me. This is a salicylic acid rich concentrate in a leave-on chemical exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, and reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores, and improve hydration to reveal a softer, brighter, more youthful looking skin. Apply with a beauty pad all over cleansed, dry skin. Avoid the eye area. No rinsing required. I've used a few items from Balance Me, and I love that they're these little travel sizes because I don't love traveling with full-size skincare. I've mentioned this in the past. When brands reach out to send me PR, I often ask, like, with whatever you're sending, can you send me some travel size items? Because I love trying out in a smaller amount, because if I end up not loving it, then I'm not wasting a whole open bottle and I can just give away the full size. Or if I love it, I have a travel set to travel with. So I will be putting this in my travel bag because the products from BHA or from Balance Me that I've tried in the past, I have liked. Next, this is the Comfort Zone Re-Night Cream Nourishing Vitamin Cream Night. Nourish Vitamin Cream, face cream with goji berry, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, as well as macadamia oil for an intensive nighttime antioxidant action. The skin appears regenerated and nourished. Apply in the evening on its own or after applying the oil on face, neck, and décolleté. Then massage in until completely absorbed. I do tend to prefer moisturizers that are oil-free, so I'm going to be passing on this one. but I basically have a basket of travel size skincare products in products I won't actually get to use for one reason or another, so that whenever friends come over, it's like, here's the basket, take what you want. So that's probably going to go into that bin. And the last item in the box comes from the brand Prey. It is the Ageless Throat and Décolleté Cream. More décolleté. There's no info on here, so I'm going to have to do a quick Google. Now, obviously, this is a travel size, but it says that results in 7 days, budget-friendly and cruelty-free. Beauty products that target delicate skin for the neck and chest. This is the little size. This is, so the smallest size on here is $15, and this is even smaller than that. So this is probably a $10 value. Is your neck aging faster than your face? Our #1 best-selling product is the secret to firmer, smoother looking skin on the neck and décolleté. A rich, luxurious cream featuring our unique Seplift technology and hyaluronic acid to dramatically lift and tighten sagging skin, diminish fine lines and crepiness with visible results in 7 days. Shea butter, squalane, vitamins A, E, and F, mulberry and grapeseed extracts. Okay, so there seems to be some really good ingredients in here, but it's not a brand that I've heard of. But all of those oils in there tend to be things that I don't love in skincare. But I know a ton of people who are going to love this, most specifically my mother, always asks for neck and chest creams. So I'm going to throw that in a box that I'm going to be sending her in the next couple weeks. And I will follow up with you when she tells me if she loves it or not. And the last item comes from Diego Dalla Palma. This is the Angel Consulting London company. Nope, that's something else. This is the water-resistant eyebrow pencil. Now, it is tiny, so definitely a travel size. I personally do not use brow pencils. I've said before, when I do my brows, and it's the same way I did them today because I like them to look soft and not overdone, I just like to take a quick brow gel, pull it through, and then with a clean spoolie, just feather them out. I think that gives me the right amount of color in there, and it does help to fill in the shape without it looking overdone. I find brow pencils on me just tend to look way too heavy because I have very full brows. So I'm going to be passing on that because it's definitely not a product I'll use. So the Lookfantastic Beauty Box is an over $90 value for $16. So I think when I'm looking at this, I think you're going to get your $16 worth. I don't think it's the most amazing subscription box I've ever received, but I think that from the items in here, if your skin is more mature than mine or more dry than mine, this could be a really great box for you. Being I'm in my very early 30s, my skin's more on the oily side, this just wasn't really a box catered to my skin type or skin needs, so it's going to be a pass for me. I will leave a link in the description box for you to sign up. It is not a commission code. I'm not making any money off of it, but it will get you your first box for $1. So if you are interested in this, you can save a little bit of money by using that link. But once again, not sponsored. I'm not receiving any commission off of that link, just getting a discount for you. So those are my thoughts. Let me know if you agree with me or disagree down below. I would love to hear your input, and I will see you all in my next video.